What time do you usually leave home?
I usually leave home at 8 a.m.
How do you spend your morning?
I get ready, eat breakfast, and check my emails.
What do you wear to work?
I usually wear formal clothes to work.
How do you usually travel?
I travel by car most of the time.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I love the evening when I can relax.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
What do you do when you feel sleepy?
I wash my face and drink some water.
How do you usually greet people?
I say hello or good morning.
What do you do when you get stuck in traffic?
I listen to music or podcasts.
How do you like to spend your evenings?
I like to go for a walk or watch a movie.
Do you prefer cold drinks or hot drinks?
I prefer hot drinks, especially in winter.
What's your favorite weekend activity?
I enjoy going out with friends.
How often do you go to the gym?
I try to go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you take naps in the afternoon?
Yes, I take a short nap if I'm tired.
How do you stay productive during the day?
I make a to-do list and avoid distractions.
What do you do when you are bored?
I watch YouTube videos or read a book.
How often do you eat fast food?
I eat fast food once a week.
Do you cook at home or eat out?
I mostly cook at home.
How do you organize your work?
I use a planner and set reminders.
What do you usually do before sleeping?
I read a book or scroll through my phone.
How do you manage stress?
I take deep breaths and listen to relaxing music.
What do you do when you are running late?
I hurry up and inform the person waiting.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
I prefer online shopping.